How to download and install QANDA app. First of all, open Play Store on your device and tap on the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type QANDA and look for the official app developed by Matt Presso. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the app details page where you can see reviews, ratings, and app information. Now tap on the install button and wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the installation is finished, tap open to launch the app for the first time. When the app opens, allow the required permissions so it can function properly and provide accurate solution. Next, you can sign up using your email, phone number, or continue with the supported account option. After logging in, select your class level and subjects so the app can personalize answers for your learning needs. Now you know how to download and install QANDA app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.